It is Class Creatives, and in this video we'll discuss how industry professionals use Autodesk Maya to produce some of the best animation for movies, games, and TV shows. Many of our students are curious about how to get started with Maya for animation, and we hope this video will help clarify why Maya is still used by studios, online educators, and universities to create 3D assets. In this video, we'll discuss how some of the best studios in the world create animations with Maya Autodesk. There are some really amazing software advancements that have been making waves recently, raising questions about where new artists should begin honing their own distinct skill sets. We understand everyone has their own unique perspective on this topic, but we hope this video will shed some light on where studios are heading with Maya and why the best studios have been using it for several decades. Autodesk Maya was launched in 1998 and has become the industry standard by countless studios for 3D production. Due to its early entry into the market, developers, artists, businesses, and studios have contributed to its software development over time. The result has been visual effects studios, game studios, and TV production houses building pipelines around the software. Custom pipelines have been created to fit the studio's specific development needs. Studios have spent a large amount of money to build these pipelines with highly trained artists working with the software. Studios have built their pipelines around specific industry standard software, such as 3D Studio Max, Cinema 4D, Houdini, and Maya. Blender, although very capable and gaining traction among artists, is still not considered to be industry standard. It's not that it isn't as good as other software, but because it takes time, money, and a great deal of effort for studios to change the core 3D packages that franchises have been based on for several decades. Of course, other software can yield similar results, if not equal results, to some of the industry standard software. However, since most artists are also trained in the 3D packages at universities and online education programs with software that are considered industry standard, this, in addition to the studio production pipelines in place, make it more difficult to change the software used in production for artists. So switching software gets more and more difficult over time for established studios with talented artists familiar with the current industry standard software. Maya is used for many aspects of production, which also makes it difficult for the tools built internally to be changed to new software. Rigging, modeling, and specific animation workflows are all components that work together in the pipeline that are software specific. Major studios such as Weta, Framestore, Sony Pictures Animation, Disney Animation Studios, ILM, just to name a few, all build their production around Maya. Maya has been used on a lot of movie franchises such as The Lord of the Rings, Avatar, Transformers, Star Wars, Jurassic Park, and many Marvel movies such as the Avengers series. Maya is also used in many TV productions such as Game of Thrones, Arcane, The Mandalorian, and many others. Video reference plays a critical role in many 3D animation production studios. In addition to providing animators with original acting ideas that they might not have considered otherwise, live-action performance filming aids in achieving the proper weight and timing for actions. Here we can see an example where the animator has recorded several movements for various parts of a scene, and then compiled the videos together to comprise the final shot with proper weight and unique acting choices. Even simple movements are oftentimes shot for reference by the animator so that the 3D animation has the subtleties necessary to convey a compelling performance to the audience. This process is not just limited to movies. The high standards that next-generation hardware is now able to provide means that many high-end AAA game cinematics are created with the same level of care and attention to detail. Animation for hit TV shows also use video reference to craft hyper-realistic, emotional movements to rival some of the best feature animation studios. Video reference continues to be a foundational core element to great animation where genuine acting is pivotal to the performance. Quick pause to tell you a little bit about Class Creatives. They offer a top-ranked game design curriculum online. All courses are taught by industry veterans with experience from studios such as Disney, Naughty Dog, Insomniac, Google, and more. Learn the entire process of animation and motion capture using Autodesk Maya by following the methods used to create industry-quality professional animation. The full animation workflow is explained in detail in their Masterclass courses. Learn professional workflows such as 3D character modeling utilizing industry-standard software such as ZBrush, Autodesk Maya, and Substance Painter. The entire character design workflow is covered from start to finish in their Masterclass offerings. Extensive character rigging courses teach the process of how to custom rig characters for all of your project needs. Land that new job, receive higher pay, and stand out from the competition. The great thing about Class Creatives is the ability to learn at your own pace and your own schedule. Get started today for free with the link in the description. This is not to be confused with motion capture, where actors perform on a mocap stage with motion capture suits where their actions and facial expressions are captured, which are then cleaned up by animators for the final production. In addition to keyframe animation with video reference, Maya has been used for some of the top motion capture-based movies and cinematics in the industry. Major studios have built specific pipelines and tools to support several franchises with the software's capabilities. To learn even more, be sure to check out our other videos where we go into great detail on how the top studios use motion capture and keyframe animation for some of the best games and movies. Many animators craft personal animations in Maya for the demo reels to attract recruiters from the top studios. Unique acting choices and the ability to craft strong storytelling elements are factors that separate good demo reels from a great one. Today, there are of course exceptions to the rule when it comes to what will catch the eye of major studios who are constantly searching for unique and exceptional 3D animation content. Studios such as Pixar use their own proprietary animation software. However, many animators receive job offers at the studio based on animations created in Maya on their demo reel for their personal animations, or even from studio internships such as Disney that use Maya for 3D character animation. This is a great example where the software used isn't as important as the quality of the acting performance or the animator, since Pixar Animation Studios uses its own proprietary animation software. One of the bigger strengths of Maya for CG production is its ability for high performance and large-scale projects. It is common for production rigs to be very large in size, especially for hyper-realistic based projects. Maya's rig evaluation has improved over the recent years of releases. The multi-threaded updates help optimize CPU utilization and efficiency, helping animators work more quickly. Other competing software are essentially single-threaded forward evaluation based, limiting their efficiency in production where deadlines and fast turnaround times are critical. This means that Maya can use the full potential of the machine's hardware versus only a fraction of the available resources with other software. In the past few years, Maya added cache playback, which allows playback and animating to take place in real time in the timeline of the scene without the need to render each frame. This results in more real-time scrubbing and playback while animating the rigs in the scene. This reduces the need to constantly playblast the scene to check your animation, saving countless hours in production time. Since Maya only recomputes the part of the animation that has changed as you work, this allows for quick iteration turnaround times in production. Maya's graph editor is the most popular animation tool used to animate the best movies, TV shows, and video games. This allows the animator to have much more precise control while also giving a visual representation of the movements to refine arcs and spacing for realistic and stylized movements. This allows animators to have a precise visual, intuitive ability to manipulate the animation curves, as well as key manipulation in the scene. Many professional animators rely exclusively on Maya's graph editor, which is, for the most part, simple to use, updated with critical animation features, and configurable to the needs of professional animators. The graph editor excels in handling motion hiccups and jitters, and its visual representation allows animators to identify and fix abnormal movements. Controlling interpolation between keyframes, extrapolation of curves, changing animation values, and timing by altering the shape of the visual curves using tangent handles are critical features a majority of animators rely on with Maya. There are countless ways animators use the graph editor to manipulate the curves to meticulously create some of the best animation in the world. The primary scripting language in Maya is called MEL, short for Maya Embedded Language, and many studio tools are built around the interface. MEL offers a simple method of extending the functionality of Maya, as everything that you can use in Maya's graphical interface can be automated and extended using MEL. Additionally, it provides access to advanced features, fast user shortcuts, and customization according to the demands of the studio. It also allows you to create procedures and scripts for custom modeling, animation, dynamics, and rendering tasks. Given that many studios have developed decades worth of tools around Maya's toolkits, this plays a significant role in why they continue to use Maya for production today. Many of our students ask us why learning Maya is crucial to working at the top studios producing 3D animation. We receive a lot of questions about whether Blender can be used just as easily for 3D production as standardized industry software such as Maya, and we hope this video helps explain why Maya has become the industry standard for 3D production. One last thing, if you had dreams of working on the next big Hollywood feature, AAA game title, or the next hit animated TV series, you'll want to brush up those animation and Maya skill sets, as they typically look for experience with Maya-based animations. So although Blender and other programs are becoming more and more powerful, Maya still is the cornerstone to some of the biggest production houses in the world. Of course, it always comes down to how great your content is on your reel and not the software you utilize, but it's important to keep in mind why certain tools are used in production. Well, that about wraps up this video on why state-of-the-art CG production studios utilize Autodesk Maya for animation-based projects and why it's an important integral piece in the process of creating animation for video games, television, and feature films. The production workflow remains widely unchanged for the past several decades, and its use is still prominent today. We hope this video was informative on the development process of the CG industry over time, how it has evolved, and how the top studios in the world use Maya for production. Are you using Maya for your personal projects or as a working professional at your studio? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Perfect.